So I guess it's time to see what the city has done to the ravine. Here are my pawpaws that they had to dig out. And here are some trees and shrubs as well. This was the way they got down to the bottom. It looks like they covered it with grass seed probably, and then some straw. Let's walk down to the bottom and take a look. I don't even know if they're done. I mean, they just kind of don't communicate. They left yesterday. They swept up the street where they dumped all the rocks and haven't seen them today. I mean, I assume they're done if they covered up the path to get down there. But it kind of looks incomplete to me. But they didn't really communicate what they were doing. I asked, and they kind of acted like I didn't need to know too much because I wouldn't understand or whatever. So, looks horrible. And here's the bank, it's all straightened out. And my poor plants that were here, they had to dig them up. I mean, this will help with the erosion, but they didn't do anything over there where there's a lot of erosion on that side as well.